Welcome to the exotic food review. We've only got 2 things to review today, so it's going to be super quick. And I have no idea what these are, except there's a chocolate covered strawberry and it's a freeze-dried snack. It looks like, I have no idea really. It looks freeze-dried. I've never had it like this. The only thing I've had like this is a cereal with like slices of freeze-dried strawberry, but a whole strawberry, chocolate covered in a bag. I've never had anything like this. And it even says on the front in English, whole strawberry. And then it's got 0 English on the back. So I'll translate everything on both of these bags later in the video so you can actually read it if you don't speak this language. And I'm not even sure what the language is. Is it Chinese or Korean?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Can't understand.
I can't understand it at all. It really doesn't say anywhere in English. So I'll figure that out later and I'll tell you later. Same thing here. I think it's the same brand. I think. It's also hard to tell if it's the same brand. I'm not sure. But it says a little bit of English. Blowing snow. What is that? Yogurt hawthorn. I don't know what that means either, but it looks like the same kind of thing. But it doesn't look like a strawberry. It looks like a, I don't know, a jelly? I have no idea.
Yeah.
So we're just going to try it. And then, I don't know. You open that one, I'll open this.
Yeah, I'm super excited to try this and this. My husband want me to try everything. So I'm super excited for that. What I want to try this
one
first.
All I know is it's yogurt. I have no idea what the inside is. It's got a picture of a cherry there. And then, is that a hawthorn? I have no idea what that means. I don't know what a hawthorn is.
Yeah.
Here we go.
I hope it's yummy. The picture, it looks yummy. The picture, it looks yummy. So I wish it's yummy.
It smells like milk.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's got these individually packaged something. You get 2 in a pouch.
Candy. Here, have 2 candies inside a little bit circle, small circle. So
it doesn't really look exactly like the picture on the back.
I'm excited, guys. Gosh, it's perfect. It's like a chocolate, like Cadbury, kind of. A little bit sour inside, but outside it's yummy. It's sweet. Yeah.
Is it a jelly?
Gosh, I'm surprised. Well, it's yummy.
You want to give it another try? I want one more. We'll split this one.
Okay. I think my daughter liked that. She really liked the sweet.
It's not what I would have guessed it'd be like at all. It looks like a powder, looks like a powder, like a powdered sugar on the bag, but it's not. It's like almost like a white chocolate. White chocolate on the outside with a gummy inside. It's pretty good.
Yeah. 10. I like that. Okay, next we try the whole strawberry.
I'm more excited about this for some reason.
Yeah, me too. Super excited. Ay, kalabaw. Ah, it's different. Here naman, it's 1 candy inside the pouch and
It's bigger.
it's bigger than the other one. So we try it. I'm excited, guys. Sorry. Wow! Look, guys.
It's dry.
Parang biscuit with a coated chocolate. Then it's sour inside. Open inside. You show what inside.
I think it's just a dried strawberry. It's just so weird to have a dried strawberry. It's a weird thing.
It's also yummy. It's like a dark chocolate.
It's kind of small for a strawberry, but it is a real strawberry, I think.
The candy, if super long na on your mouth, it's much yummy. It's like dark chocolate.
It's good quality. Good quality product. Tastes rich.
Yeah, it's good. Babe, you order it again.
Again, on the out, it's not what I expected at all. On the package, it looks like a powdered cocoa powder, is what it looks like, but it's not. It's just like a milk chocolate or dark chocolate,
Yeah.
maybe
It's yummy.
a melted chocolate. But it doesn't resemble a chocolate-covered strawberry like a normal strawberry at all. Because when you buy a normal strawberry, called chocolate-covered strawberry, it's juicy. This is dry. This dries out in your mouth. Makes you want water or something.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not disappointed. Good job, babe. It's yummy. I like that.
Oh, I should have figured it out. A strawberry gets smaller when you dry it out. It loses its water and it gets small. It's not as big as a normal strawberry because it's dehydrated. Yours is bigger than mine.
It's good.
Yeah, I like it.
Me too.
Even though it's a little bit weird to have a strawberry that is dry. It tastes like a normal strawberry.
Perfect. 10 out of 10.
I like that.
I like that. And probably my daughter is super like that. Because my daughter is super like chocolate sweet. Thumbs up. Very good, babe.
I just randomly got on Shopee, which is the app for buying stuff here. And we got a winner.
Good job.
It's your old pal Timbo. And I need subscribers. You ever wonder why YouTube channels always ask you to subscribe? It's because, at least in my situation, YouTube says I need 1,000 subscribers to get paid at all. And I need beyond that to make a reasonable living. So if you like what we do and you want us to go explore the Japan countryside or pal around with some people in Bhutan, then subscribe to our channel and stay well fed.